So in this easel tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add stickers into a design here on Easel. So once you have Easel opened up on your device, what I want you to do is to go into your design, go to the right hand side of your screen, and press on this button right here that says Elements. Press on the Elements tab right between Video and Assets. Press on Elements. Then where it says Stickers here at the top, press on Stickers. Now what you can either do is search for a sticker element that you're looking for, or what else you can do is once this loads, it'll give you a whole bunch of different stickers that you can use here in the Easel application. So if you wanted to use this one right here of perhaps this cool starburst, whatever right here, cool, 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 you can use that. You can go ahead here and use, new, whatever the case may be. You can get creative and use whatever stickers you want to use here in Easel. But yeah, fairly straightforward process, but that is how you guys can insert stickers, or I guess add stickers to your design here on Easel. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.